Hello, dear students. This is Professor Mukta Chandani, and today I will teach you your lesson, which is included in your syllabus, that is Tree, written by Tina Morris. Trees are very important for the climate, for the atmosphere, as well as for very important for the human being also. So let's start the Tree lesson written by Tina Morris. So question number one, in your lesson, in your poem of tree, question one, what will be the result if the trees are not taken care of? Then answer, if the trees are not taken care of, life would no longer be worth living because there would be no greenness and oxygen in the climate. This is the question number one, and you should have to note down it in your notebook. Now, the question number two is, how does the tree created by man look like? Answer, the tree created by man looks like artificial and lifeless without fragrance. Question number three, how do the trees sing? The answer will be that the tree sings when their leaves rustle. When the leaves of the trees are rustle, means moving here and there in the air, this is seem that the trees are singing. Question number four, explain the word very in the last stanza of the poem. Means the very is pale and tired. The word very is very important in the question number four, that the answer will be that the word very used in the last stanza means tired, means बहुत ज्यादा tired हो जाना, थक जाना, और dispirited, and it refers to the man. जब पत्ते पेड़ से अलग हो जाते हैं, यानी कि वो पीले हो जाते हैं, तो वो टायर्ड दिखते हैं, मतलब उसका कुछ ग्रीननेस पूरा खत्म हो चुका होता है. दिस इज कॉल्ड द वर्ड वेरी. डिस्पिरिटेट एंड टायर्ड मीन्स बहुत ज्यादा पेल हो जाना, बहुत ज्यादा मतलब सूख कर पत्ते जब गिर जाते हैं, तो इट इज कॉल्ड द डिस्पिरिटेट एंड टायर्ड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, राइट द समरी ऑफ द पोएम द ट्री. ट्री की समरी बताइए, मतलब trees, why the trees are very important in the life of the human beings. You should have to write in the summary of the poem Tree. The answer will be the importance of tree in human life. Human life में trees का क्या importance है, वो हम इस summary में लिखेंगे. The poetess has beautifully described the importance of tree in human life. She explained how life will not be life without the trees. Nobody ever thought that one day there would be no whispering of the leaves. Nobody thought that the pale death would overtake green trees. Question number 6, what is the message of the poem in respect of nature's conservation? नेचर को कंजर्वेशन करने के लिए क्या, नेचर के कंजर्वेशन में ट्रीज का क्या इम्पोर्टेंस है, वो इस पोएम के मैसेज से हमको लिखना है. द आंसर विल बी द मैसेज ऑफ द पोएम इन रिस्पेक्ट ऑफ नेचर्स कंजर्वेशन इन ट्रीज शुड नॉट बी कट डाउन. ट्रीज को कभी भी काटना नहीं चाहिए. ट्रीज आर द बेस ऑफ नेचर. नेचर का जो बेस है वो ट्रीज के द्वारा ही डिपेंडेंट है. It should be taken care as a child, because once the tree is cut, it is hard to get it again. Trees give oxygen in return and of carbon dioxide, which means indirectly they give life. By destroying trees, people are the destroying of their lives, because they will not get the oxygen. The greenness of the trees always give the oxygen. And question number 7, how do you compare the tree in the poet's imagination with the natural trees? Natural trees से artificial trees कैसे different हैं, वो question number हम 7 में लिखेंगे. तो answer will be the difference between trees are according to the poet's imagination. There is a noticeable difference between the tree and the natural tree. A tree is a tree which is created by man and does not get natural tree. It can also known as artificial tree, which include plastic leaves, which is colorful, which looks real but will not be real. There should be no buds for us to admire. No efforts of making an artificial tree will give us the real joy and pleasure. The natural tree is a tree whose leaves rustle in the wind, which provides peace to the mind and body. So all these are the explanation, and compare the tree with the natural tree in respect of the poet's imagination. Thank you for watching, and if you have not subscribed the channel, so please do the subscription and you share with your friends. This is the your lesson in your syllabus and the first lesson. So thank you very much. Stay tuned, keep learning. Thank you.